Turn your Instagram into a money-making machine. In 2024, you have more than 100 ideas about how to make money online. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to make money from Instagram. So, let's begin. First of all, you need to grow a theme page if you don't know what is theme page. No worry, I'll tell you about it. An Instagram theme page is an account dedicated to a specific topic or niche, focusing on creating a cohesive and visually appealing aesthetic around that theme. It's more than just a personal profile, it's like a curated magazine or gallery for a particular interest. If you come first time on this channel, so make sure to subscribe this channel and like the video. So, let's start the video. First of all, you need to create a logo with Canva or Wix Logo Maker. I'll give you the link in the description you can make easily. Then you need to create an Instagram account and come up with account name. You need to give a decent bio in profile. Post content day by day. You need to upload at least one video with good hashtags in a day. In the end of 15 days you got shoutout deal and you can collect $50 to $100 easily from one shoutout. After a month you can take money as you wish from one deal. Yes, with theme pages you really have to do is to post content to earn 4 figures per month. Alright, we met again in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.